Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City on this kind of breezy day, but it's still a good day to be out looking at motorhomes. So I want to talk to you about this 2021 Winnebago Navion. So this is the V model, which means it has twin beds or the king bed in the back. Now, the Navion is kind of the epitome of luxury. Built on the Mercedes chassis with all the safety features. This one, we've added several options, full body paint, which gives it a great look that really holds up well. This one has the LP generator. It has the dual pane windows. And the nice thing on these dual pane windows is not only do they have coverings for the screen at nighttime, but you can also open them about a ½ inch and lock them in place for security. So, quite the setup for summer. On this coach here, it has the new colors. One thing you can always tell when you go in a coach is look at Winnebago's engineering, even on the simple things like their latches. So if you look at the overhead doors, it's a push latch. You push it once, it comes out, it's unlocked. You push it again, it's locked. Things can't fall out coming down. So, this is a great coach to look at. Good floor plan, so it has the overhead bunk. This one has the dual recliners and the V model, which is the twin beds in the back with the backs that will rise. So come down, take a look, take a test drive, and I'll tell you what, I bet you do that, you'll take it home. So thank you very much, Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV.